because we realize that this is quite an important part of the young people's journey. So we it's like, I'm looking for an analogy. It's just like there's some things that you say, for example, you're preparing a meal. There's certain things that you can't leave out for it to be the perfect meal.
Mm.
It's the same thing. I mean, being able to take possession of your home successfully. We're promoting this offering or this program as something that's an integral part of that meal, an integral part of your journey, that you don't want to move on without having had access to this course.